Welcome back to another video, my slimes. Today, I will go over the secret 0.9 update leaks. This is going to be secret ball knowledge. Click off the video if you can't handle it. This update is going to be revolutionary. It could make Vagrant Survival the most popular game on Roblox. It will be to Vagrant Survival what the Renaissance was to medieval Europe. The changes will be so extreme that some might even quit the game. But you might be asking, how do you know about this?
Well, a group of elite hackers who call themselves Ozma Kappa leaked the game files. The craziest thing is that you can obtain one of the items from the update right now. It's the M134 minigun. Let me show you how to do it.
First of all, you need at least 100 scrap to begin. Then you need to go to these 10 locations marked with X. After you get there, you need to drop 10 scrap on each X. Warning, after dropping the scrap, you need to leave the server instantly. Make sure to not pick up the scrap again or it won't work. Here's an example, my slimes. Then just repeat it 9 more times. When you rejoin after going to all 10 locations, the minigun will be in your inventory. The minigun has infinite ammo and does 25 damage per shot. This could get patched any second, be fast. It is recommended to do this in a server with a small amount of people. If you die even once, you will have to restart. Sayonara, my slimes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get off the vid, lil bro.